Now we can do the analysis for parallel RC circuit. So first method is admittance method. So y is equals to what? Here we have yr, again yc, right? So yr is nothing but what? 1 by r plus 1 by xc is nothing but what? Sorry, zc is nothing but minus jxc, 1 by zc, that is nothing but 1 by jxc, right? So we can write y is equals to 1 by r minus, that is plus j omega c, right? We can write like this. So from this, mod y is nothing but what? Square root of 1 by r whole square plus omega c whole square. Clear? Like that, phase angle is what? Tan inverse omega c by 1 by r. Omega c by 1 by r. So tan inverse omega c r. That's it. Clear? Then, or we can write y is equals to, in place of 1 by r you have to write g, right? G square r, first you have to write y is equals to z plus j, 1 by x is nothing but, 1 by x is nothing but, can write minus beta c. Sorry, we have plus j beta c. Here we have what? 1 by, we can write, which is equals to 1 by r plus j by 1 by omega c. So 1 by omega c is nothing but beta c, right? So g plus j bc. So this is what? From this mod y is nothing but g square plus bc square, that is capacitive susceptance, and the angle is what? Tan inverse bc by g. Clear? So this is one set with respect to g and b, this is another set with respect to as it is from the circuit. So from this we can get the magnitude. So we have y and we have voltage, that is V is equals to Vm at an angle 0, we know that. Like that, y is equals to mod y at an angle phi. Therefore, we have to get the value of current, that's it. This is nothing but Vy. Clear? So V is nothing but Vm at an angle 0, y is nothing but what? Mod y. We can write from this, it's nothing but 1 by r whole square plus omega c whole square. Like that, what is the angle here? Tan inverse omega c r, that's it. So from this, Vm into 1 by r whole square plus omega c whole square, 0 plus this, the resultant is what? Tan inverse omega c r. So this is what? Is, which is equals to Vm into this component is nothing but what? Im only, right? Tan inverse omega c r. So Im at an angle phi, Im at an angle phi. So we got Im at an angle phi. So now we have V is equals to what? Vm at an angle 0, and we have Is, which is equals to Im at an angle phi. Then tell me, which one is leading, which one is lagging? Current leads voltage by phi. Clear? Current leads voltage by phi. Therefore, phi is nothing but what? Tan inverse omega c r, that's it. This is nothing but leading, right? This is nothing but leading, or You can write phi is equals to tan inverse BC, inductive susceptance by conductance. You can write like this also. But at any case, we are having leading angle. Current leads voltage by phi, that is leading angle. What is the range here? Range of phi 0 less than phi less than 90 degrees only. So, except pure inductive capacitive circuits, for a combination of RL, combination of RC, we have the range is what? Less than 90 degrees only, 0 to 90 degrees. This is with respect to admittance method. Next, with respect to phasor method, we have to analyze phasor method. So, first point is what? Current through resistive branch lies in phase with V, right? Therefore, I is equals to V by R, which is equals to Vm at an angle 0 by R, which is equals to Im at an angle 0. Clear? Like that, coming to IC, right? IC leads V by how many angles? 90 degrees. IC leads V by 90 degrees. Therefore, IC is equals to V by, here we have what? Minus J XC, which is equals to Vm at an angle 0 by 1 by omega C minus 90, which is equals to Vm into omega C at an angle 90 degrees. Clear? This is IC. Means Im means what? V by XC is nothing but Im, right? If you have any doubt, go through pure capacitive circuit, then you will have better idea of the concept. So, this is about IR IC, and we all know that same procedure from the previous analysis, that is it, IR plus IC, that is it, vector addition. Therefore, mod IS is equals to IR square plus IC square, like that. Phase angle between those two is nothing but IC by IR. Clear? That is it. This is like this. So, from this, mod IS is equals to, IS is what? Sorry, IR. See, Vm by R whole square plus from this Vm WC, sorry, Vm omega C, that is Vm omega C whole square, which is equals to, Vm gets common, Vm to 1 by R square plus omega C whole square. That is it. This is the magnitude of IS, which is equals to what? We can write Vm at an angle, this is what? G square plus P square. That is it. This is IS. Clear? Next, phase angle. Phi is equals to tan inverse IC by IR. Therefore, IC is nothing but what? See, Vm omega C by Vm by R, Vm by R, right? So, from this Vm gets cancelled, therefore, we have tan inverse, what we got? Omega C R, right? Tan inverse omega C R. Or you can write phi is equals to tan inverse C, beta C by R. Sorry, beta C by G, BC by G. Clear? Capacitor susceptance by G. This is the phase angle. The angle is what? Leading or lagging? leading, right? Leading. Then phasor diagram we have to draw. Phasor diagram. Is reference is what? Voltage is taken as reference, clear. Then IR is always in phase with, this is IR, clear. Then you have to draw the phasor of IC. IR completed, V completed, then IC. So current leads voltage by 90 degrees, clear. IC, yeah. IC leads, right? Sorry, if this is IL lags V by 90 degrees. Here we are dealing with respect to C. So IC leads. This is IC, clear. This is reference. IC leads V by 90 degrees. Now it's okay. Then what is the resultant? This is nothing but IS. Then the phase angle is what? Phi. C. The resultant phase angle between IS and V is nothing but phi, that is leading, right? Phi is leading. That's it. This is about phasor representation for this RC circuit.